If your organization has high-value mobile assets or a workforce that operates in remote or high-risk areas, you need real-time situational awareness to protect your property and people. Visual Command Center is software that provides this awareness for some of the world's largest organizations and can help you safeguard mobile assets, including cargo containers, maintenance crews, delivery vehicles, ships, aircraft, and remote workers. Visual Command Center is enterprise risk visualization software. It unites information about hundreds of sources of global risk with the locations of things you care about. When a risk event occurs near one of your assets, Visual Command Center alerts you to the potential threat and kicks off a crucial three-step process. It provides you with early alerting about the potential risk, context and tools for assessing the risk, and tools you can use to mitigate the risk. To apply this alert, assess, act model to your mobile assets, you can connect Visual Command Center to an asset location and status system like TracPlus. This enables you to track your mobile assets, prevent the loss of high-value cargo, meet regulatory and duty of care requirements, and provide greater security for remote workers. Here's how it works. People, vehicles, or shipments carrying GPS-equipped devices report their locations to the TracPlus service using satellite telephone connections, Wi-Fi, or cellular networks. Visual Command Center connects to the TracPlus service to visualize the locations of these assets on its map and timeline. Here's how that looks. We're looking at New Zealand, where many energy sector companies have remote workers in the field operating equipment and monitoring operations. Here's one of them, a safety inspector named Chris, who's regularly on the move, visiting land-based and offshore energy assets. Chris uses the TracPlus app on his mobile phone to report on his location. Clicking on his icon shows us his current location, altitude, heading, speed, and status. Visual Command Center unites this kind of internal data, an asset location, with external data about potential risks. This allows Chris's employer to assess any potential threats to his safety. In this case, a minor earthquake has been reported. Chris is just outside the main risk zone, but there's a heightened risk of aftershocks and a tsunami, so we want to be prepared to evacuate him from the area. Instead of switching over to another screen or logging into a different application, we can take action right from Visual Command Center, using the map to locate our other assets, like this helicopter rescue service. We can use some of the built-in tools in Visual Command Center to help us estimate distance, so we can calculate the ETA to Chris's position. TracPlus users can also initiate distress messages using a button on their GPS devices or an iPhone app. When a TracPlus distress message is activated, it will automatically generate an alert in Visual Command Center, giving us another way to be informed and proactive about developing risks. From here, we can fly to this distress location and use Visual Command Center tools to assess and act on that message. Together, Visual Command Center and GPS-based asset location and status systems, such as TracPlus, are a powerful combination to help organizations alert on risks, assess the threat, and take action to mitigate those risks to their employees or assets.